sleepover girls. Well?
No vacancies.
That is so not true. Lynn's told us she quit the club.
No, she didn't.
Yes, she did.
Then she only thinks she has. She's not allowed to quit.
But I'm offering you money.
You can go now. Meanwhile, Rosie was working on Lynn's.
We've got a really good plan to make money. We're going to run a car wash in Park Street.
Good for you.
It's a job that really needs 5.
I'm busy. I'm walking the dogs.
It's your money, Linz. Nobody thinks that you're a traitor to the club. What about the sleepover afterwards?
You won't miss me.
Of course we will. Did you really tell Sarah and Alana that you'd quit the club? Why do you think I'd do that?
Well, is Linz out of the club or not?
Dunno, she's not talking to me.
Can't you, like, read her mind or something?
We're twins, not aliens.
Warning, warning, we're in the presence of pure evil.
The sleepovers have something planned for this weekend.
Do we look like we care?
You could really spoil it if you knew what it was.
And what's it to you?
Just thought you might be interested in showing the SOCs what competition is all about.
There's money in it.
But you have to cut me and Alana in on it.
It had better be a lot of money. Who bought these sponges?
I did. I'm the sponge girl as well as a car wash fashion consultant.
Bliss, those are the types you use on pots and pans. How many cars have you washed in your life?
It's not big on my list of things to do.
Come on, you two. No one's going to stop if they see you arguing. The caps are cool for this.
Soft sponges only. Me and Kenny do the scrubbing. You're on the hose, Bliss. Rosie does windscreens and windows. Cool?
That's what I was going to suggest.
Our first day in business. It was exciting. Sleepover Inc. Who knows how far we could go?
Matthew.
I'm sorry, Miss Thomas.
You're working for Sleepover Inc. now, Matthew. The biggest, the best. In a cold, ruthless world, we're better than anyone else.
I'm sorry, Miss Thomas.
Shape up or ship out.
Yes, Miss Thomas. Better get these signs set up in John Dory Road so people know where we are. Come on, Fliss.
Boys. What are they up to?
All set up. Kenny and Fliss are putting up signs to direct traffic. We'll fix that. We'll get some barriers from the roadworks at the bottom of the street. It's like Miss Nichols said. They've got their car wash, we've got ours. Good, healthy competition. Oh yeah, we're back.
Dirty tricks is right.
You took your time. We wanted to make sure we did the job properly.
So you found the signs?
Yes.
Good. I don't want anyone messing this up.
Oh, yes, Your Majesty.
I still don't get it.
Get what?
Why we had to move the signs.
We want to divert the traffic from going down the sleepover street
So they don't have any customers.
and direct them down our road.
To our
Car wash. You got that, doofus?
Right. Good plan.
So it looks like the leftover girls are going to have a pretty lonely day.
They'll really be leftovers this time.
What are you waiting for? There's customers to serve. Cars to wash, money to make. You're still here. I'd expect you'd be washing cars by now.
Minutes and not one single customer. Maybe the motorists didn't see the signs.
Are you saying we didn't put the signs up properly?
I didn't say that. Because if you did, next time you can put them up yourself.
Guys, come on.
Hi, Lynn. Hi.
We're expecting a stack of customers any minute.
Good luck then. We've got to get her back, Frankie.
I don't see why we should call. What is wrong with this picture?
At least we look like we know what we're doing.
Only there are no customers.
And no traffic.
I'm going to check it out.
I don't think I'm going to make it. Need food. But there's crocodiles between us and the supplies. I think I can get past those savages without being caught, Professor.
Good luck, Montana. You're the only chance she's got.
Don't forget the jelly babies. Oh.
Hey! Having a good laugh then?
Frankie, you think I did this?
Well,
Why would I bother? Think what you like. I don't care anymore. Fine! Come on, Frankie, game on! What happened?
Lynn's got her own back. She diverted traffic.
I don't believe it.
Meanwhile, Rosie had found out the truth.
The M&Ms have got their own car wash going on the other side of the park. Rats!
The M&Ms? Oh no.
People are going to get fed up here if we don't get a move on.
Now I felt really bad.
Give me 10 minutes.
Hey! Where are you going?
To do some crawling.
Thank you so much.
Oh, my pleasure.
See you tomorrow. Bye.
I'm sorry. I got it wrong. Seriously wrong. Linz? Please, please, please forgive me.
What are you doing?
Begging.